I'm Barbie Van Wyk from LJIC International College in Johnston. This is Miss Brahms. We were out here today at Brody Middle School with
14 students.
14 students.
Yep.
We did probably 30 haircuts on students here from Brody. It was amazing. We had a great time.
And it's very rewarding to do something for the cause that they are doing, just raising awareness for cancer and donating the hair to a charity that helps to, it just is a wonderful experience giving of yourself to something like that.
We are blessed to get to come here and be asked to come back again year after year and get to help these students support their community.
I'm Betty, and I'm Cosmetology 5-Day.
I'm Bailey. I'm also Cosmetology 5-Day.
And we were at Brody Middle School today, and it was a very special event. What we did was shaved heads for people who cancer has impacted their families, which that's awesome that they wanted to do that.
Yeah, they wanted to support their family in different ways, and some just did it because they wanted to. So that was really awesome. Some people went, just a few inches, but I helped a girl and finish out her haircut that she literally just chopped it all off. So the different result was just crazy to me, but in the end was awesome. Yeah,
for the families and everything.
Yeah.
And we pray that everything works out for everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, my name is Kaltuma,
My name is Annette Miller,
and we're from LJIC International College.
and we were at Brody School today for Through This Together. People come to donate their hair. I cut 8 inches off of twin girls.
And I also cut 6-7 inches off of a girl's hair, and also shaved the men's hair. It was emotional at first when they were talking about the stories about their family having cancer.
Sad and happy.
Yeah.
Happy
Mostly
because all the
sad,
people
yeah.
that come out to
Mm-hmm.
be there for them.
Yep. Brave enough to shave their hair and honor the people who have cancer.
I was very excited to be a part of it today.
Yeah, me too.